Hi there, and welcome back. You've heard the buzz about Gen AI in the finance functions of companies. In the next 10 minutes or so, I'll explain what it's all about. We're seeing real, tangible changes, from predictive analytics to streamlined audits in large organizations. And this isn't just theory, it's my day-to-day work. Now, when I say finance function, I'm talking about the heart of any company's financial operations. It's the company that handles everything money-related, managing budgets, tracking expenses, paying bills, reporting financial performance, and generally making sure the company stays financially healthy. Let me be specific about where Gen AI truly shines in the finance function. One thing we've noticed is that AI is incredibly powerful for knowledge management, especially when dealing with unstructured data. Even though much of finance operates on structured data, we are seeing very effective applications in areas with a lot of documents. One of the most successful use cases is taking all of your accounting manuals and Q&A documents and putting them in one place. You then let the AI go through them, and if you have a question about how to account for something using accounting principles, for example, you can find answers very quickly. AI is very good at looking at what the official accounting standards say, what your colleagues have published on the topic, and your internal policies. It compares those and gives you the information you need. In cases where you use contact information in your documentation, and you should, it can point you to the right human expert to verify the information. So something that previously might have taken days of research and back and forth can now be done in seconds or minutes. This type of AI-powered knowledge base is a game changer for finance teams. We're seeing similar impact in other areas with high volumes of documents. Procurement, for example. AI is excellent at comparing contracts, finding discrepancies, and highlighting key clauses. Or in recruitment processes where AI is being used to write job descriptions quickly and efficiently, even mitigating bias in the language used, or even providing accurate, unbiased support in a recruitment process. So overall, Gen AI is driving change in the finance functions in two key areas. First, in running the business. Think AI co-pilots that analyze market trends in real time, optimize investment portfolios, and even predict customer behavior. For example, we're seeing companies use Gen AI to consolidate disparate financial, commercial, and operational data, leading to faster and more informed decisions. Secondly, Gen AI is impactful in how the finance departments are operating internally, what we call running finance. AI steps in to handle those tedious, repetitive tasks that take so much time. Think about the process of generating a quote for a customer, getting the order, delivering the product or service, and finally getting paid, what we call quote to cash. Or think about how a company buys things, from requesting what they need to paying the supplier, and what we call source to pay. These processes involve a lot of steps and paperwork. AI can automate big chunks of those processes, which means less manual work, fewer errors, and things moving faster. It's like having a super efficient assistant handling all the details behind the scenes. However, let's be clear, Gen AI is not a silver bullet. In finance, you often need 100% confidence and auditability, especially for core financial processes. Think about those numbers that end up in your annual report. You need to be able to say, okay, this number in my annual report comes from this entire process chain. AI at this point in time is not very helpful for those core processes because we always have the risk of hallucination or error. So traditional methods like automation, machine learning, and statistical models are still the most reliable for those tasks because they provide that 100% confidence that your shareholders, your auditors, and your stakeholders demand. You just have to accept the fact that AI may make a mistake, actually very much like a human. So you need to know how you might cater for this mistake and how to capture it. The key is understanding the best applications for AI. It's about choosing the right tool for the job. If, say, you're planning a trip and ask AI for the fastest route to the airport, it's not a disaster if it suggests a route that's a few minutes longer. But if you're an airline using AI to calculate fuel needs for a long-haul flight, those calculations need to be precise. That's the difference with financial data. Accuracy is critical. That's why teams focused on AI development are spending so much time on improving accuracy and reliability. A critical point to remember is that data is key to the success of any AI project. Gen AI is only as powerful as its data. Garbage in, garbage out is not just a saying, it's a fundamental truth. The good news is that finance functions typically have a lot of high-quality data within their systems already. But the real challenge, and where we see huge potential for AI, is in improving data quality at the source. Think about it. humans create data and humans input it into systems. What if we used AI to help humans input the right data in the first place? This would revolutionize how we clean up data. Instead of having people manually clean up messy data, we could use AI to guide them towards better inputs and cleaner data from the start. And in my opinion, this kind of human-AI collaboration is the key to unlocking the next level of AI adoption. Now, another area I'm excited about is the use of AI agents. Think of these agents as digital employees. Just like with a new human employee, you wouldn't just let them loose in the organization without any guidance, right? You'd onboard them, train them, and provide clear governance processes. It's the same with AI agents. They need a specific role, they need to be trained, and they need to have clear governance and processes to follow. This is where things get really interesting because it's where we see the true power of human-AI collaboration. So will Gen AI ever replace finance professionals? Absolutely not. But it will redefine their roles and require a shift in skills. Some are concerned that by offloading tasks to AI, finance professionals might lose some of their core skills, especially problem-solving abilities. But in reality, the opposite is happening. When you actually research on the skills finance teams are hiring for at the moment, what we see is that core finance skills are still essential. If you work in payroll, you need payroll knowledge. If you work in tax, you need tax knowledge. However, the skills that are really on the rise are problem-solving, collaboration, and leadership. These skills are essential in an AI-driven world, where finance professionals are working with and managing AI agents. This brings me to a really important point about the future of finance roles. It's pretty evident that within the next couple of years, the job of an accountant, a financial analyst, really anyone in finance, will be significantly different than it is today. Project management, for example, is becoming increasingly critical. As AI takes over more of the routine tasks, finance professionals will need to focus on managing projects, driving change, and collaborating across teams to implement new AI-powered solutions. But coming back to my question of will Gen AI replace finance professionals, I think of it this way. Many of us have been through waves of technological change in finance and beyond, from basic automation to robotic process automation. Each wave has brought changes to how we work, and Gen AI is no different. Granted, it's a rapid evolution, and to prepare for it, finance professionals need to focus on upskilling and adopting a new mindset. It's not about learning a new software. It's about learning how to work effectively with AI, how to manage AI agents, and how to leverage AI to solve complex problems. And the CFO is now at the forefront of this transformation. They need to become data champions, technology advocates, and ethical leaders, leveraging AI to gain strategic insights and drive informed decision-making. We actually see the most successful implementations when the CFO is the biggest AI champion. Now let's talk about what you can do to prepare for this AI-driven future. First and foremost, start small and experiment. Don't try to do everything at once. Identify one specific area where AI can add value and run a pilot project. Learn from that experience and scale up gradually. As you begin experimenting, it's crucial to foster a culture of innovation within the team. Encourage them to explore new AI tools and technologies and create a safe space for learning and experimentation, such as sandboxes. However, it's equally important to balance innovation with governance. Establish clear guidelines and ethical frameworks for AI implementation. Set up AI evaluation committees to assess the potential risks and benefits of AI initiatives. This will ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically within your organization. And of course, it's vital to address any employee concerns about AI. Be transparent with your team about how AI will be used and emphasize that it's here to augment their capabilities and not replace them. Provide opportunities for upskilling and training so everyone feels empowered to embrace this new technology. This brings us to the end of our exploration of Gen AI in finance. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this overview informative and insightful. As I've discussed, the Gen AI revolution is here, and it's reshaping the finance function in profound ways. By embracing data quality, talent development, and ethical frameworks, we can unlock unprecedented growth and create a more innovative and efficient financial system. The future of finance lies in the collaboration between humans and machines, and those who embrace this reality are already leading the way. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay ahead of the curve on the latest trends on AI and data, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Don't just watch the revolution, be part of it. Thanks again for watching.